And overshadowed by all of this, we are smack dab in the middle of a global pandemic. The numbers are on the rise. A lot of folks waiting and hoping to get vaccines. Let's turn now to NBC's Aaron McLaughlin, who joins us with that story. Hey, Aaron, good morning.
Good morning, Hoda. Officials say this is a health crisis of epic proportions. Here in Los Angeles, there are now more than 200 deaths a day. Doctors are warning the next surge could end in total catastrophe, and some fear it's already too late.
This morning in Southern California, extraordinary steps to keep the healthcare system from crumbling.
We are stretched so very, very thin that we're not able to provide the same level or standard of care that we normally would.
The state now ordering the hardest hit hospitals to delay non-essential surgeries and forcing counties to accept patient transfers from areas where care's been compromised.
We're facing the biggest surge of COVID patients we've seen.
East of Los Angeles, the crush of COVID patients has forced Methodist Hospital to activate crisis care standards, allowing a triage unit to ration care if necessary. The hospital says it has yet to take that drastic step, deciding who gets care and who doesn't. Doctors elsewhere fear they're days away from that deadly scenario, with staffing shortages so severe, firefighters are being called in to help.
I never thought that I would see a time when we're sending our firefighters into hospitals to help assist.
Experts say the vaccine rollout has not been able to slow the surge.
Clearly, no excuses. We should have gotten 20 distributed and 20 into the arms of people. By 20, I mean 20 million.
Meanwhile, the CDC is investigating the death of a Miami doctor who passed away some days after receiving the Pfizer vaccine. Pfizer issued a statement saying, in part, "We are actively investigating this case, but we don't believe at this time there is any direct connection to the vaccine." Distribution has also been complicated by sensitive storage requirements. Some facilities have vaccinated non-medical workers rather than letting doses go to waste. The vaccine arrived far too late for ICU nurse Merlin Pambuan, but she managed to beat the odds.
I'm thankful this is my second life.
Surviving 8 months in the hospital.
Looking good, Merlin!
And walking out to the cheers and tears of her family and colleagues.
Don't lose hope. Just fight. Fight. Because look at me. I'm going home and I'm walking.
The new, more contagious UK variant has been found in at least 5 states. So far, San Diego has the most confirmed cases in the country. Health experts say that could also be because they're aggressively testing for the strain. Hoda.
All right, Aaron McLaughlin for us. It is 34 minutes past the hour.